welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I achieve my eye look. It's going to be cut crease with a little bit of twist. I'm going to show you how I achieved the look. I already went ahead to do my foundation routine, so it's just the lips and the eye I'm going to be showing in this video. Just to speed things up. It's supposed to be a short video, but then I don't know how the video is going to end up. But basically the eye look is what, you know, as I said earlier in my former videos, I'm going to be concentrating mainly on the eyes, the eyeshadow looks, how to blend, stuff like that. I hope you learned something. Let's just get right to the video now. So I'm going into my Flawless palette, and I'm taking in the shade in very deep purple. Very deep purple. I already set my eyes, so I'm just going to go in now. So this purple is really deep, and that's just the way we want it for this look. So I'll go into a lighter shade of purple and just blend out. Use that to blend out. So I decided to change my brush there because I realized it wasn't doing for me what I wanted, and I think it was blurring it all out too much for me. So now I'm going to use this to cut my crease. I learned this trick and it has just stuck with me ever since. It really just stayed. Like, I haven't really used it much. I've only used it a few times, but all the times that I've used it, I've been happy that I did. So I'm gonna show you how to cut your crease using your cutting board and your cutting swab and your oil. So I use any type of oil, basically. And then I'm going to begin cutting. It takes off the product just right out. No, oil normally takes out makeup products easily. So if you want to achieve smooth cut crease, I mean, this is just your best bet. so guys, I already went ahead to set the concealer using my setting powder, and now I'm just going to go in with the next step, which is my beauty palette. I'm going to be using the orange shade there, this shade. I'm going to be using both of these two oranges, but more of the matte orange. Here we go. About this look is you just have to take your time and build the foundation. You know, once you can't rush it. All right guys, so I'm done with the eyes. I'm going to apply my mascara now. So guys, while I wait for my lashes to get dry, I'm going to continue with my lips. So I'm going to line my lips first. Alright, so guys, this is the final look. I finally was able to get my lashes on. So I hope you like the look, because I'm really loving the look. This is not something that I will go for on a normal day, but like I just decided, let me play with some colors, you know. Let me just actually use some colors on my eyeshadow palettes that I would never touch on a normal day, and it actually all came out better than I expected. Anyways, to complete the look, I'm going to set it with my Zickel mixing fixing spray, and which is almost finished, by the way. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something. I hope you practice some of all these looks that are on my page. Even if you are unable to get this one, there are a lot more simpler ones that you can practice if you're a beginner, and if you're already at the intermediate level, you know, there are some other ones that you can use to just test yourself, push yourself to your limits. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are remotely interested in learning more eyeshadow looks and how to apply, how to blend, how to cut crease, how to apply glitters, then this is the page for you to follow. This is definitely the channel to follow. So you want to hit the notification button so that every single time I post, you are notified and you can binge watch again. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.